Nishmas Etta Ahuva by Yaakov Menachos Menachos Perik Dala Mishna Aleph. So just as a Hakdama, the Teisus Yontif brings down in the beginning a very interesting thing. He says that we don't find in the Mishnayos any halachas about tzitzis, tefillin, and mezuzah, chutz from these few halachas, and the Gemara is the one that's Meirich on it. And he says the reason is because Dvarim ha'elam ufursonim bizman chibur ha-Mishnah. Everyone knew these halachas at the time when the Mishnah was written, and it was a negeya to everyone, the prat and the kal, and there was nothing that people didn't know. So therefore, there was no need for the Mishnah even to discuss it. The same way the nusach hatfila is not written any place. How the shat should be noyach, because that was davar meforsim, everyone knew about it. So therefore, that's why there's no halachas in any Mishnah. It's about tzitzis, tefillin, and mezuzah. That's what he brings from the Rambam. The Mishnah says, "Hatcheles eina ma'akeves es halavim, v'halavim eina ma'akeves hatcheles." The Gemara learns out that there's 4 chutim of tzitzis. We said in the last Mishnah that they're ma'akvin zeh, that you need to have 4 strings. But this Mishnah is telling us that Rashi brings down, there's 2 of tcheles and 2 of lavin, and if you had all tcheles or all lavin, that's okay. Tcheles not ma'akev lavin, lavin eina ma'akeves hatcheles. Taisus brings down a shita, and the Rambam is brought down over here in the Taisus Yantiv that says that loy binan el chut echad de tcheles, you only need 1 chut of tcheles. And it's Yidua that the Machaber says that already that there was tcheles, which is not notzi bizmanenus, and nowadays we don't wear tcheles at all. And afal pikim where yotzei the mitzvah of tzitzis, because tcheles ain't a ma'akeves as halavim. The Mishnah continues, Tefillah shel yad eina ma'akeves shel roish, v'shel roish eina ma'akeves shel yad. Each one, the tefillin shel yad and tefillin shel roish, is a mitzvah of fnei atma. One's not ma'akev the other one. Haseilus v'hashemen ein ma'akven es hayayim v'lo hayayim ma'akven. So this is talking about together with every carbon was brought in nesachim. It's called minchas nesachim, and it was made up of 2 parts. The minchas nesachim, there was the shemen and the seilus, which was together. That taka is ma'akev each other. The seilus needs the shemen, the shemen needs the seilus. And then there was the yayin that was poured on the mizbeach, the nisach hayayin. And the Mishnah is saying that the seilus shemen part is not ma'akev the yayin part, and the yayin is not ma'akev the seilus shemen part. The Mishnah ends off, which was learned in Zvach, and the matana shal mizbeach hachitze and ein ma'akev zu ezu. You don't need to have 4. If you only put on 1 matana, you yotzei. Like the pasuk says, "V'dan zvachecha yishafech," which is mashma 1 shvicha, and you yotze with that. Mishnah Beis haparim ve'elim v'hakvasim eina ma'akvin zeh. Parim, elim, and kvasim are not ma'akev each other. So what is this talking about? The Gemara comes out. The Gemara discusses what it's talking about. It comes out that it's talking about the karbonos on Shavuos. It's written 2 places in the Torah. In Parshas Emer, when it's talking about the Shtei Alechem, it says that you need 7 sheep, 1 par, and 2 elim. And by the carbon musaf, which is written in Parshas Pinchas, the parim and the elim are the opposite. It's 2 parim and 1 ayil, and it's also 7 sheep. So on this Mishnah saying that the parim, elim, and kvasim are not ma'akev each other. Now the Gemara does speak it out that it's not exactly the same, because the elim in Parshas Emer, those are ma'akev each other in itself. So if you don't have 2 elim, then you can't bring at all. As opposed to the other karbonos, it's only means to say it's not ma'akev the other one. The ones in Parshas Emer are not ma'akev the ones in Parshas Pinchas. Reb Shimon says, if they had enough money to buy more paras, but they didn't have money to buy corresponding nesachim for those parim, like we said that each carbon comes together with a minchas nesachim, so they didn't have. For a par would be gimel isarin. They didn't have the money for 6 isarin, let's say, for 2 parim. So then it's better yavi par echad u'nesachiv al yakrivu kulam b'loy nesachim. It's better to bring the par with its corresponding nesachim than to bring parim, more parim, without bringing the nesachim.